Okay, so in the problem that in Edulastic that we gave you, it talks about people going to a movie, and it says that there are adult tickets, children's tickets. It gives you the total cost of movie tickets. It gives you the total number of people. So what you're supposed to do each time you have a word problem like this is write down all the information it gives you. So I already set it up, but now let's fill in our numbers. So it said that adult tickets cost $13.75. Children's tickets cost $9.50, and this is just all in the paragraph that it gives you. The total cost of movie tickets is $161.75. Okay, and then it says there's a total amount of 13 people, and that includes between adults and children. Okay, and what it wants you to find is how many adults there are. So we need to set up a system of equations here so that we can solve for the amount of adults and the amount of children that there are. All right, so let's first set up an equation based on the total cost. So the total cost of everything, of all movie tickets between adult tickets and children's tickets, is $161.75. Okay, and to get to $161.75, you have to add the adult tickets, the price of the adult tickets in total, and the price of the children's tickets in total. So let's let adult tickets be represented by A and children's tickets be represented by C. You can let them be represented by any variable you want. I just like representing them by that first letter of the word. So, okay. So if adult tickets are represented by A, they cost $13.75 times A plus $9.50 times C, the number of children's tickets, to create our equation. And this equation just represents total cost of all tickets for everyone. If you notice that A, again, is the number of adult tickets and the C is the number of children's tickets. So we need to find A. So we want to know, what does A equal? Okay, now let's set up one more equation. We know the total amount of people is 13. And that consists of adults and children. What represents the number of adults? Oh, that's A. What represents the number of children? That's C. So the number of adults plus the number of children equals 13 total people. So total number of people. So now we have two equations and we can solve for A. We can use substitution to set this up. So let's rewrite the second equation as C equals 13 minus A. Okay, and now let's substitute this C in for the C in that original equation. So 1375A plus 950 times C, which now we're going to put in there 13 minus A so that we get it all in terms of A so we can figure out what A equals 161.75. And now we just have to solve for A. Okay, so the first thing we can do is distribute 950 times 13 is going to be 123.50. 950 times negative A is negative 950A. Let's rewrite all the other stuff that we have still. And now let's combine like terms. So if we combine our like terms here, we can combine our 1375A and our 950A. So 1375A minus 950A is going to give us 425A. Get rid of those. Plus 123.50 equals 161.75. Let's get rid of this 123.50, bring it over to the other side. And we're left with 4.25A equals 38.25. Okay, and when we divide each side by 425, you get that A equals 9. So there are 9 adults, which is what the problem's asking you. So that would be the multiple choice answer you click on. But if you wanted to know as well how many children there are, we could just do children equals 13 minus A. So there would be 13 minus 9 children, which would be 4 children, in case it asked you. Okay, but our answer here is 9 because we found that there are 9 adults when we set up our system of equations and solved for A.